What's up guys? Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can probably tell from the title, this is a beauty box unboxing and we are going to be unboxing the Cohorted box. This is for this month's box. If you would like to know what I have in this box, go and keep watching, and as always, if you're not part of the mermaid squad or the mermaid family, you should go ahead and click subscribe down below. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, anyways, let's go and get started. Alright guys, so like I've mentioned, we are going to be unboxing the Cohorted box. If you are not familiar with Cohorted, it is basically a beauty subscription box that you get every single month, and it is retailed for 35 British pounds, which is I think roughly around $50, or if not $50, and you get 4 to 5 high-end makeup products, and these products can be found at Sephora or things that you've never seen before. So I'm very excited because I got one myself, so thank you so much to Cohorted for gifting these. So if you guys would like to know what I have in this month's box, go and keep watching. First thing that I see in the box, which is this one right here, is from the brand Ciate. I think that's how you pronounce it, or it's just Ciate London. This is the Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm, and girl, they know that I love highlighting, so I'm so excited. So this is what the product looks like. Whoa! It's just this chrome white highlighter sticks, and you guys, it looks white, but it comes out as gold. I don't know if you can tell. Here, let me swatch it here. Do you guys see that? It's so pretty. It is a highlighter balm, or a luminous balm, that's what it says. Next item we have is the Sinacho Naturalis Sweet Orange 100% Pure Natural Essential Oil. And it comes in this little bottle. I don't really know how to use essential oils because I don't really pour them in that little diffuser thing, but I got that. And next one we have is another one from Ciate. This is the Chisel Eyeliner, and this is in the shade, let's see, is there a shade for this? Black. So I just got this eyeliner. Let's go ahead and test it out. Now I don't use eyeliner just because I have eyelash extensions on, and technically you're not supposed to use eyeliner, especially around your eyelash extensions area, but this is the eyeliner, and here's what it looks like. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that glided on really quickly. Ooh, I also really like how one side it's slanted. I don't know if you guys can tell, but one side is slanted, so it's easier, and it's pointy. Next one we have in the palette, or in the box, is the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette. This is what it looks like. So I know my ring light's kind of diffusing the actual colors, but I'm gonna give you guys a swatch. So this is one of them. This is the yellow one, I think. I think there's another one here. Then it's the pink one. And this is, I think, the purple one. Comes with 7 different highlighters, so you're definitely gonna find the one that you like because all of them are different. There's purple, there's yellow, there's blue, there's gold, and then there's peach one. Then there's the what do you call this, a champagne color, which is great. The last item we have, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th item. This is from the brand Coverfx, and it is a duo brush. This is the contour brush. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I have been super into contouring my nose lately, so I feel like this is something that I can use to contour my nose and just chisel out my cheekbones, my non-existent jawlines as well. Coverfx is a pretty high-end brand if you ask me. I don't own anything from them, but I do see them at Sephora. So this is the Contour Duo Pencil. It comes with a flat side, and then this one. I feel like this one works really nice on the nose, so I'm very excited for this one. Yeah, so that is basically everything in this box. I will put the overall total somewhere here on the screen, but if you guys want to try this box out, I will put a link down below. I also have a coupon code for you guys, which is this one right here, so you can get a free gift on your first box. Again, thank you so much to Cohorted for partnering up with me on this video. If you want to check them out, I will put all of the information down below in the description box. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!